Action from top. Action! Action! Look at the camera. Stop talking and dance now. Smile. Come on. Dance, please. Yeah. After this, dancers are done. These are the only two questions they have. I think that's what it says. You can be playing with me. I think this is what playing to my teenagers, and I won't want that nonsense. Because you know what I will do. But we have gotten enough dancers for this track now. Haven't we? What did they want to do again? What did they want to do now? What did they want to dance again apart from this way dance? If I go, I really dance come to now. I don't know anything. That's what I'm saying. Then, you know, the song is easy. That's what I'm saying. Want the job. Smile and do it. Sing that. I've seen that they use it. Alright, let's do it, yeah. Put the back up, put the sing this one. It's in London.